My fellow elders, we call this meeting to know the way forward of this great kingdom. Our late Igwe Silas Omenka, has joined his ancestors. We loved him so much. That notwithstanding, we know that the last of Allah has been performed. But this our kingdom cannot operate in a vacuum. We need someone to replace him. His son is here. According to our tradition, we must guide him right so that he will not fall into mistakes. My prince, you must marry a daughter from this cabinet member who is well grounded in the tradition and custom of this town. You are free to make your choice. My fellow elders, I hope I've spoken your mind.
Yes. Oh no. You have said it all. And there's no need of prolonging this matter. There's no need of prolonging the matter. Prince Udoka, you heard everything Ono said. So you have to get yourself prepared for your coronation. But that would be after mourning your father for 1 year. I mean our late Igwe. After mourning him for 1 year. I heard that. Thank you.
That's all right.
Elders and council, I greet all of you. I must thank every one of you for the opportunity to speak. I heard the Ono. I totally understand what he said. First of all, I must commend your efforts towards making the journey very easy for me. We all know that the Igwe, the late Igwe, my father, passed away as he has joined his ancestors. I want to say, may the gods bless and protect all of you. But I have a little challenge.
What is it?
I don't know your daughters. I don't know any of your daughters. And how do I get married to someone I don't know? That's the question.
My prince, you don't have to worry yourself about it. Before them, we know each and every one of them. I promise you that. We know.
That's why I know. I totally understand because I'm no longer a kid. But I hope your daughters understand our tradition. And most importantly, I hope they are well behaved. In that case, thank you all for coming.
Prince Udoka.
Say,
Yes.
say. And as you go, may the gods protect all of you.
My son, speaking about what the elders told you, what are your plans?
Mom, I'm actually on it. The elders say I must see the girls. But I don't know them. I haven't met them before. However, the elders say it's tradition. I must see them before making my choice. Yeah.
What if you see them and your heart doesn't accept any of them? What are you going to do?
Mom, I know what's good for me. You have nothing to worry about. I have everything under control.
It's okay. What I'm saying is this. You have to be very careful. Very, very careful so that you will not make mistakes you will regret in the future.
I understand, Mom. And thank you for your concern. However, I have everything under control, like I said. You have nothing to worry about.
It's alright. In that case, I'll be in my room.
And I'll take a walk.
Pamela, my daughter. I just came back from the palace. We had a very important discussion. And it concerns our daughters, we the elders. Very soon, I will become an in-law to the royal family. And I don't want to lose it because of anything, or for you to spoil it for me. Do you understand me?
Papa.
Yes.
Me, I don't understand you. All these things you are saying, how is that my business? How am I connecting to all these things? Eh, Papa?
You don't understand me. Okay, let me make it very simple and clear to you so that you can understand me. Let me ask you this very important question. This half-naked dresses you are wearing and your word bear you, was it the way your mother and I brought you up? Or is it because that your mother is late now and you decided to be behaving anyhow? Eh? Tell me. Moreover, like as I told you, I don't want to miss this opportunity. I want you to get married to the prince so that you become the future queen of this our kingdom. It's very simple. And let me tell you, if you dare spoil this move for me, I will disown you and I will deal with you ruthlessly.
Papa, this threat, is it not too much for your own daughter? It's too much for me, oh.
That is to show you how serious I am. It is what it is.
Okay, Papa. What do you want me to do now?
Now you are speaking like a good daughter of Onowu Ugoneya. Eh? It's simple, my daughter. All those half-naked dresses you are wearing and your wayward way of life, you must stop them. Come on, will you stop that? Eh? What I want you to do now is simple. Go in there. All those have dresses that shows your nakedness. Bring them out. Burn it in my presence. Now, I will give you money to replace them. You buy a better dress that fits the daughter of Uno.
Papa. Papa, you worry yourself too much. All the girls at my own age are dressing the same way I'm dressing now. Papa, there's nothing wrong with what I'm dressing. I'm okay.
All those girls that are dressed in the modern century, are they Uno's daughter? I'm going somewhere and I don't want you to spoil it for me. Will you stop that? All I want you to do is just live here, go in there, bring out all those nonsense and useless dresses that show your nakedness. Burn them here before me. I will give you money to replace them. Buy befitting one that will fit Onowo's daughter, not wayward children. I am going to somewhere and I will do everything humanly possible to achieve it. Am I not talking to someone?
Nonsense.
Papa, no. You don't have a fiancé, Papa. And you know this man very well. And you even know his intentions towards me. You even accepted it. I don't know how come you're here and saying another different thing.
Papa, no. Besides, this is 21st century. You cannot force me to marry a man just because he is a prince. By the way, I have my own choices to make.
And I, your father, I have my own choice of a man for my daughter. And the Prince Udoka is that man. And you must marry him whether you like it or not. Hey, Neka. Don't you ever try to get me angry, because if you do, you will not like me.
Papa, this is not about getting you angry or not. We're talking about my life here. My happiness, the man I want to spend the rest of my life with. And that man is definitely not the prince. Mama, are you hearing what Papa is saying? Mama, say something now. Talk to your husband.
What do you want me to say? You know who your father is. You heard him. You heard the threats, what he will do and what he will not do. So what do you want me to say? Don't worry, we'll talk about it later.
Yeah? You will talk about it later. What is it you are going to talk about? Now, listen, whatever you are going to say it here and now, so that I will know where you are coming from. Don't use this your manipulative system to deceive her, not to marry the prince. And if you try that, you know what I can do? I will just send you back to your parents.
That's a lie.
Eh?
A very big fat lie.
Eh.
Yes.
Okay.
What did I do?
Okay.
No, I'm asking you, what did I do?
We shall see.
Is it by force to accept a marriage proposal from someone?
We shall see.
No, I'm asking now. Tell me. This one is not even a personal proposal from the boy to the girl. This one is a marriage select contest. Now let me ask you something. Nani, let's assume she leaves her own boyfriend, her fiancé now, and goes for this contest and she's not being chosen. What happens? I'm asking you, what happens? You're looking at me. Yeah? Sleep over it. I will also sleep over it. You know?
Okay, Mama.
You are going to take a sleep over it. Fine. That is good. But listen to me, both of you. Instead of you to sleep 1 or 2 days and wake up without a reasonable answer, it's better you sleep 2 or 3 months and wake up with a reasonable answer. Did you hear that? Did you hear that?
You two, you get ready to bury us. If we sleep for three months without waking up. Because you want us to sleep very well so that when we come back, we'll tell you what you want to hear. Okay, yeah?
I didn't say that. It's just a suggestion. I didn't say that.
Let's go inside. Leave your father, let him be talking. Let's go inside.
Papa will bring in his own idea from nowhere. Or somebody marry the prince.
Am I the one you're talking to like that?
No, Papa.
You must marry the prince, so whether you like it or not. Just try me and see what I will do to you. I don't blame you.
Mama, you're calling.
What do you think about what your father said some days ago?
Mama, I am surprised you're the one asking this question. We both know that Pascal is ready to come and do my introduction as we speak. He's already waiting for Papa just to give him dates. Okay. As my mother, from your own perspective, what do you think?
Nika, honestly, if you ask me, what your father said is true. If you ask me, I must tell you the truth. I like what your father said. I want this family to belong to a royal family. But, all the same, you are the one that is involved.
Mama, I do not like the way you are sounding. It's as if you're supporting Papa.
No, I'm not. I'm not, but you see the...
But what? But what, Mama? You're scaring me. You are. Fine. Let's look at it this way. What if I decide to drop Pascal and listen to Papa and it didn't turn out as planned? What do you think will happen to me? What do you think I will tell Pascal? You think he will not know?
Nika, chill. You can also do it secretly without...
Secretly?
Yes.
Secretly, quoi? Mama, I cannot. Mama, I cannot do... The fact that you're even talking about this, the fact that you're sounding as if you're supporting Papa is
Totally unacceptable. Mama, I thought you liked Pascal now. We talked about this. You said he's okay for me. What? Mama, please don't do this. Don't even go there.
Neka.
Mama, no.
Neka.
Mama, you cannot do this.
Neka.
My children! My children!
I know your voice.
Look at, see, seriously, I'm not happy, honestly. Yeah? I bought everything you asked me to buy. And you did not come. Why? What happened?
My love, I'm sorry. Yeah? Just that I was doing something for my mother.
Hey.
And she was at home throughout that yesterday. Yeah? There was no way I would have come out without telling her where I was going to. And you know she's not even aware of us.
It's you.
So, but don't worry. Tomorrow, she's going for a meeting. I'll make sure I see it tomorrow.
Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yes.
You will come. You will not disappoint me.
Trust me now.
Exactly.
I promise I will come.
So you mean if you come, you're going to give me, even if it's the cap?
Not just the cap. Everything.
Ezoku!
I'm not sure.
Hey! Josephine.
Sir?
Ichi, good. Josephine.
Sir?
What are you doing with this he-goat? Oh. You bought even a uniform. Get a uniform. Josephine. Sir? If I get home before you, you will regret knowing me as your father.
Okay, Papa.
Nonsense. Ichi, they will bring down. He-goat. Let me first admit to have.
Okay, Papa, I'm right behind you.
See, please, you just have to listen to me.
No,
please.
no, please. I have to go, okay? I don't want
Josephine,
to
please,
persuade you,
listen.
Please.
Babe.
Okay, I'll see it.
No, you see me now. See me. I need it now. Help. This man. Stop it.
Papa?
Oh, Asim Papa. Asim Papa. Asim Papa. Who was that boy? I saw both of you. Who was the boy?
His name is Nnamdi. He's my friend.
His name is Nnamdi. He's your friend. Tamjogi, what kind of wine on a boy? Then we find him, eh? Huh? Let me tell you. Let me tell you. If you spoil this my opportunity of becoming the king's in-law, you will regret calling me your father. Oh yeah, did I can't take it? Did I can't also? Henceforth, if you see all these he-goats in this kingdom, if you see them coming close to you, run! Run, enter bush. I don't want to see them close to you. I've told you before that the prince want to make you his wife. Then, as we are discussing with that fool on the road, and prince sees you. He will not see you. Shut up and listen to me. Go back to that your he-goat friend, Nnamdi, or whatever you call him. Tell him that your father said, I don't want to see him close to you. Because if I do, I'm a doibi. I will cut your legs and burn both of you. Come on, let us inside the compound. Nonsense. Come on, get it. Nonsense.
Iṣẹ́ balẹ̀ fún. Iṣẹ́ ìṣọ́ akọ. Ó ti wá. Iṣẹ́ balẹ̀ fún. Káàkiri.
Icho is work on one name. Who can Ambari? To be a family man is not easy, but it is well. Since the last incident that happened between you and Igwe, that you were expelled from the cabinet, I've not seen you in the community. Where have you been? Kebe no.
Iṣẹ́ Mbane for my brother. Since Onowu Ugonaya have decided to put me out from the palace because I have always attacked him whenever he says something wrong or do something wrong, he now framed me up before our late Igwe. And Igwe believed him without even making proper inquiry from me. My dear, I don't think I have any other option. Huh? I will stay in my house. I'll just wait. Anytime my son from abroad sends us money, we will eat. And that is my last plan.
What else can I say in this case? You know, the late Igwe believes so much in the unknown, and whatsoever the unknown says goes. But the truth must surely come out one day. Let's leave that aside. How is the family? How are you faring now?
Well, as you can see, my family, we are doing well. My family, we are fine.
Choose work.
I heard that the prince to choose wife from the cabinet members' daughters.
Yes.
Is now declared open.
Yeah.
Huh. I wish I am still one of the cabinet members. Huh? At least my daughter would have been involved. Who knows? The prince might choose her. Huh? Anyway, I have left the palace for them. My next plan now is to come back to that palace and pick my daughter. Because it is very risky to work with her father's enemy. So I cannot leave her there.
It is Wako. You know I don't have a daughter. So let those who have daughter or daughters contest, partake in the contest. As for you, withdraw your daughter because of this incident between you and Igwe from the palace. They don't know she's your daughter. And you coming them might implicate her the more. That's the truth.
You have a point there. I will do as you have just said. Meanwhile, send me word to your family.
Oh my regards to your family. Let me run along because I received a call that somebody wants to come to my house. I don't know if they come with money. Let me go and see them.
You don't even need to waste time. You need to be there. Because you go buzo. Oh, we can go.
Okay, man.
My friends, thank you for the cola. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, Iche.
Thank you.
As a matter of fact, I should say thanks to you. Because I saw the gifts. I saw the entire gifts. I mean, I saw the goat, a very huge goat. I saw the 2 bars of yam. I saw the palm wine. I saw everything. But I was going to ask you, what are they for?
My prince. In fact, this question you ask me now is even the reason I came back to see you, because you were not around when I came here yesterday with those things. And I'm sure your guys, which I handed those things over to, did not tell you why I brought those things, because I did not tell him.
Right.
The reason I came back is to remind you of what we discussed here last time. I mean, you and the cabinet members.
Chiefs, yes.
About you, the prince, marrying one of...
Getting married to one of your daughters.
Yeah. Thank you. You see, I would want you to marry my daughter. Because that my daughter, she's a very nice girl. She's lovely. She's industrious. In fact, she is everything a man needs from a wife. And that is why I brought those things. At least to show you how serious I am.
Yeah.
Even that goat I brought, I named the goat. As you can see how beautiful the goat is. I even named the goat after my daughter, Neka. And so that anytime you are looking at the beautiful goat, you'll be remembering my daughter. So please, I would want you to marry my daughter. Everything, anything you want from a woman, she will give it to you. Because when your father was alive, we were very good friends. Even we were close more than other elders. That to show you how serious, how I take this family. So, hi, your father, Subadoro. So my prince, that is why I'm here.
Iche,
my prince.
You have spoken well. But just to clarify things, you're gifting me all of that because you want me to get married to your daughter.
That to show you how serious I am. That to show how serious I am. Because you are my future in-law to be, my future son-in-law to be.
Iche,
my prince.
When the time comes, I'll make you happy.
Yes. I trust you. I know what you can do.
I know.
Prince Udoka, I know what you can do.
You're welcome.
Baby. If not for one thing, I can ask with them.
You can go home with the entire bottle.
No worry, I have enough in the house.
That's okay.
Prince Udoka.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Asa, just hold on, please. Please, Asa, please. Asa, wait. Jojo. This is unbelievable. My own Josephine? Avoiding me? How? When did this start? Josephine! No! I won't take this, no! After everything I've done for her, who is doing this to me? Wait. Is she seeing another person? Wait, no, it's not my Josephine now. She won't do it. But why is she avoiding me? What's happening? Josephine!
Who's that a go win the heart of Prince? Opposite one ye gonna be Prince you gonna or the Igwes cabinet. Fancha Bagonolo, they want their daughter to marry the Prince.
My prince, here we are. I bought this car for you. Here is the key.
Oh no. You bought me a car.
Exactly.
Wow. Thank you. What's the car for? Why are you buying me a car? I have so many cars.
Yes, I know. This one is special for you.
This one?
Yes. You see, I want to show you that I'm very serious concerning the subject matter we're about to discuss. I want you to choose my daughter as your wife and the future queen of this great kingdom. You see, if you do that, I'll be very, very happy.
Oh no.
Yes.
Just to be clear, you bought me a car because you want me to get married to your daughter.
Exactly.
All right. It's okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Consider it done.
Thank you very much, my prince. I'm very happy. You made my day. Thank you.
Would you like to come in and have a drink?
No. I'm okay.
Are you sure?
This alone is okay for me.
All right then.
Thank you, my friends.
No problems.
To win the heart of praise. All the cabinet members. Who's that I go win the heart of Prince? Opposite one ye golo be prince yo konoba. All the Igwes cabinet. Fanja bagonolo. They want their daughter to marry the prince yo. Before they go to pancake, before they go to lipstick, before they go to aqua. Kadi bogo nanya. DJ go siga aqua. Chinyesi adafa wanya. Kafadi bogo nanya. Ay, Oseti go. Now my daughter you go marry. She be a wedding princess. I prepare her for you. Now my daughter go be queen. Now my daughter you go marry. She be a wedding princess. I prepare her for you. She's well preserved for you. Now my daughter you go marry. She be a wedding princess. I prepare her for you. Prince, you must marry my daughter. Now my daughter you go marry. She be a wedding princess. I prepare her for you. Prince, you must marry my daughter. Now my daughter you go marry. She be a wedding princess. I prepare.
Why are you doing this to me? You have been avoiding me for the past 2 days now. My Josephine. My love, what's going on? You don't take my calls anymore. What's going on? What's happening? For the past 2 days, I've been calling you. You have been avoiding me. Josephine, you have been avoiding me. Why? Is there anything you're not telling me? The other day we agreed to meet each other. I called you, your phone was down. I was thinking that you would come to my house. No. The thing you asked me to buy, I bought them. I waited for you, you did not come. Is there anything you're not telling me? Listen, my love. Even if I have offended you in any way, I'm here to say sorry. Josephine, I love you so much. Honestly, I want you to be my wife. I love you so much. You know I care for you. Please.
Namdi.
My love.
I'm sorry for everything.
Thank you so much.
But you see, I'm no longer available. Yes. I have to tell you the truth. I'm no longer available. Since I don't know how to tell you, but I will soon be the prince's wife, and soon I'll be moving into the palace. You know, and so I wouldn't want anybody to see us on this road, or even see me talking to anybody on the street, or any man on the street like this. I don't want problems in my early marriage. Please, you have to move on. Try and understand.
Josephine, please listen to me, please. You said you are sorry. Fine. I accept it that you are sorry. But you telling me that it's not going to work out. No, this is a no. You can't do this.
No, please. Try and move on. That's the truth.
Josephine, listen to me, please. Just hear me and then...
You're hurting me, Nandi. Please, just move on with your life. I'm soon to be the prince's wife. We cannot be seen on the street like this. I don't want to have problems in my life.
Josephine, please!
Jay, you're giving me your land.
Sure.
My prince, it's about you picking a daughter to one of the cabinet members as your wife. And I will want you to come into my family by choosing my daughter Philmond as your wife. She has everything any man needs from a woman, and as a wife material. The document before you is for my landed property. And I want to give it to you, provided you choose my daughter as your wife to be.
Iche, are you saying you're offering your land as a gift to me?
Yeah, of course.
Because you want me to get married to your daughter? What's your daughter's name?
Philmond, my prince.
Are you sure I can marry your daughter? Because I cannot bring shame to the royal family. I'm very sure you're aware of that. Are you sure your daughter is well raised? And she can be my wife?
Even better than me. She's even better than me in everything.
Of course. Alright. In that case, I'll think about it. I'm very sure you're going to see your daughter before the coronation, right? Yeah. Alright. So, I'm a lucky man.
Congratulations in advance for picking my daughter as your wife to be. I will be on my way.
And the gods go with you.
Who's that a go win the heart of prince? Opposite one ye gonna be prince you gonna or the Igwe's cabinet. Fancha bagonolo. They want their daughter to marry the prince you.
You sent for me?
Yes. I want to ask you something. I saw you, or rather, I had your conversation with Ichie Ezeka. He gave you a land document. Exactly the same way other cabinet members comes here with different types of gifts and you accept them. The other day, Ono gave you a car. And I asked you the same question I'm about to ask you now. Do you know the implication of what you are doing? Accepting gifts from all the cabinet members, promising them one thing, marriage to their daughters. Are you aware you're choosing just one wife, not wives? So how are you going to handle it? Because I don't want any problem that day.
Mom, I totally understand your concerns as a mother. They're very valid. But the truth is, I didn't ask for a gift. I can afford anything I want. So, those gifts were presented to me out of free will. In other words, it's their choice. But when you look at the entire situation from my standpoint, you can clearly see that what this has done is revealed how desperate they are. Because I'm aware that they understand the procedure of tradition. I want to assure you that there's nothing to worry about. I have everything under control.
What if after choosing one person and the other cabinet members ask you to return the gifts they gave to you? What are you going to do?
Mom, you were not paying attention. Like I said before, I didn't ask anyone to give me a gift. They offered those gifts out of free will. However, I am going to be the king, right? That simply means I have the right to do whatever I want. Okay. I can as well get married to 2 wives, 3 wives, maybe 4, who knows? I'm the king, or I'm going to be the king. I have the right to pick 4 wives, don't I?
No, I will not be in support of you choosing more than 1 wife.
Okay. Like I said, I have everything under control. You have nothing to worry about. All right?
Well, if you say so.
I'm very sure. You have nothing to worry about. I have everything under control.
My prince.
Che.
My prince, this one you came out today, I hope all is well.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I haven't seen you in the palace lately. Is everything all right?
My prince, I'm the one surprised not going to. Are you the one asking me this? Were you not there when Ono framed me up? And your father expelled me from the palace without even confirming from me. He did not even hear from me. He believed Ono. So I don't have any option than to leave the palace. I will not be coming to the palace again because no reason. I just left my daughter there to be working in that palace because of the love I have for the royal family.
I thought the matter was resolved before my father died.
Nothing like that, my prince.
My late father cannot expel you from the palace without concrete evidence.
My prince, the case has been like that and nobody do anything about it. Yes, I know that Ono wants me out of the palace. And he succeeded by using my name on bad things. But no problem. I have left the palace for them. But the gods are watching. The gods are watching.
Did you say you have a daughter in the palace?
Yes, my prince. Yes.
Are you sure about that?
My prince, my daughter is working in that palace.
All right, see me in the palace. That's an order.
My prince. Huh? This one, my prince, is ordering me to come to the palace. I hope there is no problem. Is it about my daughter? Okay.
What happened? What happened?
Our daughter's job at palace is at stake.
Eh?
Oh, Kendrem. Bah.
What happened now? Why?
I met the prince on my way coming back home. So the prince now stopped me. He asked me why have I not been coming to the palace for a long time. And then I explained to him that his father expelled me from the cabinet members. You understand? I'm at the palace. So he now said I was supposed to be coming to the palace. I said I should not come. At the time, I told him that I just left my daughter to be working in that palace because of the love I have for the royal family. Immediately I said that, his mood changed. So maybe He didn't know that our daughter is working in that palace. Immediately, he ordered me to come to the palace. I don't know what is wrong. I don't know what
Nai, why did you tell the prince? After all that happened in the palace between you and the royal family, because of Onowu Ogunaya, Now let me tell you, if anything happens to my daughter's job, if they sack her, this house will not contain you and I. You talk too much. You go godon. Like a parrot. Why? You overtrust people. Okay, now listen, Anya. Onowu has taken advantage of you. Oria, he knows our secret. I've told you, try to control your tongue. This is your tongue. Anyway, let's not conclude now. When you go there first. When you go, you know why he's calling you.
This is what you should be saying. Not to be blaming me. I have made it as a mistake by telling the prince that our daughter worked there. But for you to be blaming me, that it's not the solution at all.
Oh, Makanine, try to control your tongue.
No.
Let them not know our secret.
No. What we need here now is the solution. Let us sit, calculate, focus, and know what we will do about this. It's not by blaming me or shouting. When
you go there first, maybe it's not what he's calling you for.
Yes, Nai. That is why I'm here. I brought this thing for you. And this token, Nai. Nai, please accept this. I am here to make my intention known towards your beautiful daughter, Nneka, before bringing my people for the proper introduction.
Anyway, you're welcome.
Thank you, Nai.
You said your name is Pascal?
Yes, Pascal.
Good. And you're here to tell me that you want to marry my daughter Nneka before coming with your people?
Yes, Nai.
Does it mean Nneka did not tell you the new development?
No, Nai. She did not tell me anything.
She did not tell you?
No, Nai.
It's okay. I will sort it out. Nneka! 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 Come here with your mother.
Nai, welcome.
Thank you,
Nneka. The reason I asked you to come here with your mother so that all of us will sort this issue out here and now. I was here when this young man by name Pascal walked in here with this cheap drink that is even cheaper than the one I am drinking in my house. With this money. He said that his reason for coming here is to tell me that he wants to marry you before coming with his people. Are you aware of that?
Yes, Papa.
You see, yes, Papa. Does it mean you did not tell him the new arrangement?
Yeah.
What arrangement these people?
Okay. I know you will not tell him because maybe you are afraid of telling him. Young man, Pascal, Okay. I know my daughter will not tell you the truth. Maybe she's afraid of telling you. The truth is that Nneka, my daughter, is no longer available.
What? Papa? I am no longer available. How? What are you saying?
Nneka now belongs to the prince of this kingdom, Prince Udoka. Very soon now, her traditional marriage will commence in this compound. So now that you have known the truth, you can go. Though you came with this cheap drink, and the money, no problem. Ojibiabeze, Ada Anachiazo, I can manage it. That's what makes me the man of the house. You can go.
Papa, what is this? What have I ever done to you to deserve this? Eh, Papa?
I ask you. Tell the young man the truth. Stop deceiving him. Tell the young man the truth. If it's in this matter, shut up. You are just a woman.
Did you hear your father?
What do you say? You are asking my daughter question in my presence. Question and answer. In other words, I am lying in my own house.
No, Papa, I just want to hear from her, please.
So, in other words, this one I said it's nonsense. You can go. Don't get me angry. Leave my house. Go now. You can't only remember kids here. Go. Forget that you came here with this nonsense money. I don't even know whether it's a canter or this thing. You can go.
Papa, what have you done? Now, listen to me. Whether you like it or not, I am going to marry Pascal, and you or nobody else will do anything about it.
That's who?
Me.
Then let's watch and see. Let's watch and see. You will tell me if you are the owner of this house or you are the one that gave birth to me. You
are really not ashamed of yourself.
Ashamed of what?
Yes.
You are
not ashamed of yourself. You asked a young man to give you and you took his money. Nah, you took his money, put it inside your own pocket.
Are you jealous?
And you are telling him something else. There's nothing you can do. What are you looking at? You want to pick this bottle? You asked the boy to go away and you took his money. You are keeping the money inside your pocket. You are not ashamed. You are not ashamed.
Oh, you are jealous because he gave me this money. Because I am the man of the house, I am entitled for this money. If you are jealous of it, your next word will be a man so that you will be collecting this kind of money. Idiot.
I don't understand what is going on. Tell me what your father said about you and Prince Udoka is not true.
It is true, but it is not what you think it is, okay? Just permit me to explain. See, when my father brought the idea of me marrying the prince, I declined. And it wasn't even about me marrying him. It was about me joining the maidens who be going for his marriage contest. I told my father that I already have a man whom I love, whom I want to spend the rest of my life with, which is you. I thought you understood me. I thought we were okay. Honestly speaking, I was as shocked as you were when he brought it up earlier today, and I am really sorry. Please, I am sorry for the embarrassment.
Then why didn't you tell me all this while? Why?
I didn't see it as a big deal. I didn't think of it as a big deal. I don't have any interest in the prince. Okay? I'm really sorry, please. I'm sorry.
You don't have any interest with the prince. Fine, but you should have told me. You saw what happened today. You saw what happened.
Yes, I really should have told you. I just didn't see it as much. Please forgive me.
Listen.
I'm sorry.
There's a very big problem. You know how serious your father is about this. What are we going to do? How are we going to solve this issue? I'm really confused right now. I don't even know what to do.
If it's about that, just continue with your plans. Yes. When you're ready, we'll figure it out together. I will tell you what to do.
We'll figure it out. I don't understand.
Sweetheart.
How do you intend doing that?
You know I love you, okay? So I don't want you to get yourself worked up over this. I'll get to the bridge, you're gonna cross it. I have told my father that I will marry you. And I meant it when I said that to him. And I've also told him that nothing, not even him, will stop us from being together. Except God decides that. And I know that God is with us.
Listen, babe. You know I love you so much, right? And you know I'm ready to do anything humanly possible to make sure you're mine for life. But the truth is that we still have a problem. And we need to find a lasting solution to this problem, my love. I just hope these plans go through. Okay. It's okay, just go.
You're welcome, Uche. Why are you not drinking?
My friends, not until you tell me why you brought me here. Because I'm not comfortable here regards to what happened to us in this palace.
Iche, even if I called you to crucify you, it shouldn't stop you from drinking. Come on, go ahead. You don't like the wine? It's just the wine.
My prince, it's not that I don't like the wine, but I'm not comfortable. I'm not comfortable.
My prince, they made this person be here.
Good. So, like I said, enjoy yourself. It's nothing. Go ahead and drink your wine.
My prince, please, clear me. Let me know why I'm here before I start drinking this wine. Please.
Well, in that case, if you insist, it's fine. I'm sure you're going to know why I called you soon.
Greetings, my prince. Greetings.
Who's your daughter amongst them?
My prince, please, don't sack her.
Uche, go straight to the point. Answer the question. Who's your daughter?
My prince, I'm still begging you. Don't sack her. She doesn't know anything.
Uche, can you tell me who your daughter is amongst them?
My name is Chisom. I'm his daughter. I can't be here and watch my father beg like a baby just to protect me. I'm ready to defend him anyway, no matter the circumstances.
Chisom, why do you want to put yourself into trouble? Huh?
Uche, you may leave.
My prince, please, don't sack her. She doesn't know anything that made your father expel me from this cabinet.
Uche, would you respect her? Take your leave.
My prince. Chisom, you see what you have caused? My prince, please.
You may leave.
Thank you.
Nika.
Yes, Mama.
I called you here now that your father is not at home to know your mind about that young man who came to ask for your hand in marriage. Do you want to disobey your father and marry him, or reject his proposal and obey your father?
I do not like the way you sound. I do not like it. I cannot go back to yesterday. But what I can do is marry Pascal. Come rain, come sunshine.
And you are sure that love can lead to marriage?
Mama, Pascal loves me and I love him too. Okay, the other day after what happened, I did follow him to his house. And we sorted things out. Even though he wasn't sure about what I was talking about, I was able to convince him that we are still together.
Nika. You're sure of what you're doing?
I am. But we're going to get married.
Give me his number. Let me call him. Let me talk to him.
Okay, Mama. 090 65 6 4
Nai, have you seen where your overtrust has landed you to? Eh? Otherwise, you wouldn't have told the prince that our daughter is working at the palace. After knowing how they maltreated you, push you out of the palace in shame. Eh? You overtrusted Onowu. You told him everything and he betrayed you. Now you are trusting the prince that he is a good man and you told him everything that our daughter is working inside the palace. Eh? Now let me tell you, if they sack our daughter from working there, you are going to provide all the money she will use to start her business. Iye wote go shop, doye nana, eh? Wote go ngwavia. Oh, gangwa.
Why do you like blaming me in everything? Huh? Do you enjoy provoking me? I told you your daughter caused it herself. I was talking with the prince. Immediately your daughter showed up. Immediately I saw the change in our prince's face. So I wanted to say something. He stopped me. From there, he now asked me to leave the palace. I said, Prince, let me explain. He said I should leave the palace. As it stands now, I know that my daughter's job has been terminated.
Hey!
Because I know definitely if she doesn't come back today, she will come back tomorrow.
Hey! God, please. Let them not sack my daughter. Please, God. Eh? What do we do? Okay, now let's sit down. Let's sit back and wait for her till she comes back.
Don't do this,
Am I speaking with Pascal? Okay, this is Neka's mother. Good afternoon. Thank you very much. We are fine. She's fine. She's good. I would like to see you. I want us to discuss something. I don't know when you'll be chance, please. Okay, there's no problem. No problem. You can. Thank you.
What gave you the audacity to speak when I was talking to your father? Are you representing him in any way?
My prince is my father. I had to defend him because I know he wouldn't have said anything. Just like what happened in this palace years back when Onowu accused him and he was expelled. Anytime I remember that incident, it breaks me.
So, you prefer your father, or you prefer defending your father to your job, huh? That behavior of yours can take your job away, you know that?
My prince, I can't deny my father because of my job. Without him, I won't be here, just the way I would defend my husband.
In that case, your boyfriend or your husband-to-be must be very proud of a caring woman like you.
My prince, I've never had a boyfriend. That's not my priority for now.
You've never had a boyfriend?
Yes, my prince.
What do you mean? You have never been touched by a man before?
Yes, my prince.
You sure?
I'm sure, my prince.
Alright, you may go. Hold on. Are you a virgin?
Yes, my prince.
Alright, you may go.
Thank you, my prince.
Thank you very much. I called you here.
Talk about the relationship between you and Nick and my daughter. Do you really love her that much that you want to spend the rest of your life with her?
Yes, Mama, I love Neka so much. And I want to spend the rest of my life with her. She was at my place a few days ago and we came to a conclusion that we must get married no matter what. But Mama, the problem I'm having now is, Papa, I don't know how to win his heart.
It is good you know that there is war. Because my husband has sworn never to give his daughter's hand to you in marriage. So I want to know, how do you want to go about it?
Mama, I'm ready to do anything for Neka. I do not seek war, but I will do everything humanly possible to make sure that I avoid war. Because I love her and I really want to get married to her.
Good. I'm so happy. I know now that you are a man. And you can handle situations and take care of circumstances. And I'm also very sure now that you can take care of my daughter and protect her.
Yes, Mama, I will do that. Well,
okay, there's no problem. When you are ready to come with your family.
Thank you, Mama. Mama, I'm so happy and I'm so grateful for your constant support, Mama. It has not been easy for me. Thank you.
Nah, you're welcome.
Welcome, Papa.
Yeah? Pascal or whatever you call yourself, what are you doing in my house? Huh? What are you doing here? Have I not told you to leave my daughter alone? What are you doing here? Huh? What are you doing here? Again, listen, I've told you that my daughter is no longer available. She belongs to the prince of this kingdom. Again. Yeah. It's like what we are looking for is when I send you to prison, and that's what we are looking for. And if you don't take time, I will do that. Now, leave my house.
But no,
Look, you are still talking. You are still talking. You are still talking. You don't want to go. It's okay. Don't worry. Let me call the prince and tell him that somebody is disturbing his wife to eat.
No, there's no need for that. I'll just be on my way already. Mama, thank you. I'll see you later, okay?
Huh? Hey, come here. What did you say? You will see her letter, my wife. You are telling my wife that you will see her letter. Yeah, this boy. What are your plans in this house?
I don't have any plans now.
You don't have any plans, but and you are telling my wife that you will see her letter. Maybe you will give her appointment in a joint or in a hotel.
No, I can't do such.
Pascal, you are. Yeah. Amadachi, is this boy here for you or Neg?
For the both of us. For the both of us, you are really not ashamed of yourself. He is my son-in-law and he's coming for Neg, so he is coming for the both of us.
Who's your son-in-law?
My own son.
Who is son-in-law?
My own.
Your own son-in-law?
Yes.
And he's giving you appointment that he will talk to you later. Amarachi. It's okay. No problem. Let me reserve my comment.
No, don't reserve it. Come and say it. Come and say whatever you want to say. What is it? What is your problem? What is your problem? What color does your problem have? What is it? Every time you be burning, you be shouting with your small walking stick that you're walking about with. He's coming here to come and meet me. Not yes.
Who's that I go win the heart of Prince? Opposite one ye gonna be prince you gonna or the Igwes cabinet. They want their daughter to marry the prince.
The food is very delicious. I like it. If you be doing like this, you won't be having problem. Right?
I know you like it.
This is the kind of food I ate at the palace the day I agreed to give my daughter's hand in marriage to Prince. That day, I ate like a big man.
Nai, please let us forget about this palace issue and think of something important, please.
Huh? How can I forget about not about my future family-in-law to be? It's not possible now.
Papa, I brought beer for you.
This one, both of you want to spoil me with the delicious food and the drink. I hope all is well. Because I know today is not my birthday.
All is well, all is well. Yes.
It's well, Papa, eh? I just want you to enjoy.
Okay.
Just be happy.
Let me enjoy myself.
You're enjoying the food, right?
Nani.
You know me to a man next week. See, by the time we get married to Prince, this kind of food will be eaten at the palace.
Hey!
Papa! Mama!
You're a good man already. You don't know, you're using your teeth to open beer. Nani.
Hey, if you be doing like this, we won't be having problem in this house.
Papa never for you.
Nine. Now that you have finished eating, I want us to discuss something important.
You want us to discuss something important? I hope it's not in connection with this food you just served me now. Because if your plans is to ask me to give you the money you use in preparing this food, you are wasting your time. Because I did not ask you to prepare the food for me. Because I know you.
Nah, you and your so bad mouth. I did not prepare this food to come and ask you to pay for it, no. I did it with my own money to make you happy. Well, let's leave that one aside. What I want to tell you is about this young man who is coming to ask for our daughter's hand in marriage. I have spoken with him and I found out that he really loves Neka. And I'm very sure he's going to take proper care of her. I mean Pascal.
Pascal? That useless boy that hardly feed two times a day. That useless poor church rat that hardly feed two times a day.
Papa, please don't say that, eh? Pascal feeds just fine. As I know, if he wants to eat 10 times in a day, he's equal to the task.
Okay, fine. What about him? Talk, I'm listening.
Nine. That young man has suffered. He has suffered a lot. And I think we should... Yes. And I have talked to him, I have interviewed him, I have seen that he loves Neka and can take good care of her. So please.
Papa, please. Please. I really do love Pascal, Papa. And if I do not marry him, I am going to die an untimely death. And my soul will not rest. Papa, because let me marry the man I love. Please.
No wonder. No wonder now I understand where this food was coming from. Now I understand where this food was coming from. For my wife to spend her money, prepared this delicious food and served me. Her useless husband, as she used to call me, she's cooked that kind of food and served me. I know something is there. And my daughter buying a beer for me. Ha! Ha! Ezobi umwanya awaya brand. Moya awaya brand. Ha! It's okay. Okay, no problem. I've had you. I will sleep over it and get back to you.
Hey. Papa, thank you. Okay. Papa, thank you. It's one more. Thank you.
Wait, hold on. No need of this your Papa, thank you, because I have not promised you anything. I have not promised you anything, so stop wasting this your Papa, thank you.
Fine, even at that.
Ah! Come on, you neighbor again.
Thank you very much.
Go and sleep. Go and sleep. In short food, talk about beer. Ah. Where is this girl? Neka! What else are you doing inside there? Come out, I'm already late. Neka!
Papa, I'm here. What's this?
Look at this here. You are not dressed. I told you to dress up, look for something better and where we are going somewhere important.
Papa, where is this place that is so important you want me to be on my Christmas clothes? Tell me.
We are going to the palace. The prince asked me to bring you to the palace. So go in and get prepared. Let's go.
Papa, I'm not going anywhere. Papa, we've talked about this and I've told you severally I have no intention of being with this prince. I have a man whom I am in love with, whom my heart beats for. He's the one I am going to spend the rest of my life with. Let's just stop talking about these prince issues in this family and all live happily.
Ejo, let me ask you. Who gave you the authority to dictate on how to run your life in this family?
I gave her the authority to do so. Yes. Nai, I am her mother. I have every right to protect her and tell her what to do. What is it? What is it, Nai? I thought we have settled this issue yesterday. When you ate that food and you drank that way, you licked the plate. You promised us we were going to sleep over it. We even thanked you in advance, okay?
Okay. Now I understand. So, you bribed me with your delicious food and beer so that I will do what I don't want to do. Okay? You bribed me with your delicious food and beer. You bribed SOB so that I will not do what I want to do. Both of you are making a very big mistake. A very big mistake. Now, Neka, go in and change. Let's go to the palace.
I'm going nowhere with you. I'm not going anywhere with you. If you want to go and see the prince, go. Just go alone. I will stay in the house. I'll wait for you.
What did I hear you say?
You heard her very loud and clear. She's not going anywhere. Yes, she's not going anywhere. And now, wait, let me tell you. You see that money that I used in preparing that food for you? You will pay me the money every time. You will pay.
Amarachi, listen to me. You see that food? That food was cooked with the black money. And it turned to black food. So no refund of money after payment.
You say?
I said no refund of money after payment because that food was cooked with the black money. So it turned to black food. No refund of money after payment. Yeah, Amarachi. Don't allow me to get to the palace before you, because if you do, I will tell the prince to send his guards to come and bundle you from here to the palace. And you know the prince, you know what he can do. You know him very well. Go and get prepared. Let's go.
Papa, if I see the legs of those guards in this compound, I personally will boil water and bathe them with it.
Then get prepared to spend the rest of your life in the listen, and you know the things, you know what they can do. Don't allow me to get to the palace before you. I'm allowed you to talk to your daughter. Talk to your daughter because you are the one spoiling him. I'm allowed you are the one spoiling this daughter. This daughter of yours. You are the one spoiling her. Tell her to go and get to the palace. Let's go to the palace. Don't allow me to get to the palace before you. You know the prince. You know what he can do. Don't say I did not warn you. Because then I will deny you. I will deny you.
Papa, come and carry me to the palace yourself. Bundle me to the palace yourself. Yes.
I should bundle you to the palace. Don't worry. You will see what will happen. Let me go to the palace before you. I'm gonna talk to your daughter.
Now you don't forget to bring that money back. If not, you will not enter this house. I have told you.
Every time, prince here, prince this, prince that.
Dikeh,
my prince.
You promised to come with your daughter. Where is she? You didn't come with her.
My prince. You know some of these women with their strange and funny characters. My wife sent her on an errand. And you know some of these girls that doesn't want to disobey their parents, especially their mothers. So, and my daughter is one of them. So she went to where her mother sent to her. But the reason I'm here is that she said I should come and tell you that immediately she comes back, we'll come and see you.
All right, that's impressive. I like women who respect their parents. It shows that when they get married, they're going to be very respectful.
My prince, you have said it all. Come on, how do you know my daughter's baptismal name?
I don't understand. How do you mean?
Her Igbo name is Nneka and her English name is respect. And she likes to respect people, especially the ones that senior her. That's her name, respect.
Well, that's all right. I just would like to see her. I'd like to see her before the D-Day.
Don't worry, my prince. As soon as she comes back, we'll come and see you. My son-in-law to be.
I can't wait to make you proud.
I trust you. I know what you can do. I know you can do that.
That's all right.
My son-in-law to be. My prince. Don't worry. As soon as she comes back, we'll come and see you.
No problem. Thank you very much.
No, it's okay.
Wouldn't you like to have
something? No, my prince. Don't worry. My stomach is already filled up with your promises. Don't worry. I have to be on my way.
No problem.
As soon as she comes back, we'll come. Just expect us very soon.
That's
we'll
right.
come.
That's okay.
Let me be on my way. My regards to Gwen, your mother.
Here.
It's
Also,
okay.
Thank you very much.
Bye bye.
Who's better go win the heart of prince? Opposite one ye gonna be prince you gonna or the Igwes cabinet. Fancha bagonolo. They want their daughter to marry the prince
Now I know that my father is mean and very serious about me getting married to the prince. Okay, so yesterday, my mother went to the market to buy foodstuffs just for my father. Like, she picked very nice, expensive things from the market to prepare a very delicious, rich meal for my father. I even bought beer for my father. Imagine me, I bought beer for my father. My father enjoyed his meal. And all this was just to make him happy so that he can convince him to let us get married. After everything, he said he was going to think about it. My mother and I were very happy. This morning, my father woke up first thing and asked I dressed up that we were going somewhere. Guess where the place was? To see the prince. Of course, I declined. Can you imagine that?
This your father. He's so mean and heartless. So what do you suggest? Because at this point, I'm confused. I don't know what to do.
My love, we are going as planned. Yes, come with your people to my father's house. Come with my bride price. My father is not going to accept it. Yes, I know. But I'll tell you what to do.
I don't understand. If he doesn't accept the bride price, that means we are not married yet.
My love, do not worry yourself, okay? Just do as I said. Everything will be fine. We'll be together. I promise.
Neka, can you tell me what is your problem? What is wrong with you? Neka, what is wrong with you? Listen, let me tell you. If I lose that opportunity of being an in-law to the royal family, I will disown you. But before then, I will skin you alive. You still have time to make amends. Because the prince said I should bring you to the palace so that he will know you before the choosing day to avoid making a mistake. So as you can see, you are the lucky girl.
Papa, I do not need such luck. I do not need it. Papa, I do not love this so-called prince. I know nothing about him. How do you expect me to enter a relationship with a man I know nothing about? It is not possible.
You see your life. You see your life, Neka. You see your life. When I tell that you don't know anything, you think I'm lying. You think I'm lying. I am talking of you being a wife, the future queen of this kingdom, being a wife to the prince, and you're here talking about relationship.
Papa, relationship or marriage, they are just the same thing. Ofife kafabo.
They are the same thing. Marriage and relationship are the same thing. Anyway, that is none of my business. All I want is for you being the future queen of this kingdom. Get prepared. We will soon visit the palace. The prince said we should come. Woman, talk to your daughter. I said talk to your daughter. You see, you say talk to your daughter. Talk to Neka. Talk to your daughter.
You say what? I should talk to who?
I said you should talk to your daughter.
The other time I wanted to talk, what did you tell me? You asked me to shut up. That I am a woman and I know nothing about marriage. So why are you asking me to talk to who? I'm not going to talk to anybody. You deal with it yourself. Yes.
I should deal with it.
Yes.
Amalat, you said I should deal with it.
Deal with it.
It's okay. No problem. I will deal with it in my own way.
Okay.
Amarachi, I will deal with it in my own way. But when the time comes, when I do, don't cry had I know.
You said?
I said, when I do, don't cry. Your mother said I should handle it in my own way. So when the time comes, don't cry. Because I said I will deal with it in my own way. When the time comes, don't complain.
Yeah.
Mama, I don't understand Papa in this house. I don't understand Papa in this house. Does he want us to leave this house for him? Does he want us to run?
So, we all witnessed Chisom's behavior in front of myself and my father. Chisom had the audacity to speak when I was talking to the father. I'd like to get your honest opinions. What do you think? What would you do if you were in my shoes?
My prince, to be honest with you, what Chisom did was very wrong. She shouldn't have jumped into the matter like that. Because you were still speaking with her father. Or is her father not old enough to defend himself?
And you?
My prince, in addition to what my friend had just said, Chisom has a very bad character. Very bad. She's so prideful and arrogant. I don't know why she would jump into the conversation you were having with the father. My prince, if you ask me, I would say you should just go on and give her any punishment that you desire. Nobody will have you to blame. I would even suggest you should sack her. Let her just go and learn from it. Thank you, my prince.
And you?
Honestly, my prince, I will do exactly what Chisom did. Even if it will cost me my job, I wouldn't mind. Some time ago, her father was humiliated in this palace because of the lies Ono cooked up against him. He was chased out like a common criminal, which I myself will not tolerate anybody treating my father like that. So my prince, the point I'm trying to make is that Chisom did exactly what she was supposed to do. She stood up for her father. Her father couldn't talk because he was trying to protect her and put himself in trouble.
Chisom took the bull by the horn without fear and stood up for her father. Thank you, my prince.
Are you saying what she did was right? Disrespecting royalty? Disrespecting me, the prince? So if you were in her shoes, you'd do the same, right?
My prince, I would do the same. I wouldn't mind if it would cost me my job.
Okay, so you are going to disrespect the prince?
No, my prince.
But you just said you would do the same. She disrespected me in front of you. And you're rightly telling me that you are going to do the same thing, right?
No, my prince, I'm not in support of her disrespecting you, but I just feel she was trying to protect her father.
And do you have anything to say? Because I'm about to make my decision.
With due respect, my prince. You can sack me, but I must defend my father anyway, no matter what.
So defending your father is a lot better than working hard to earn some money. So you chose your father over your job. Give me a response. You prefer your job or you prefer defending your father?
Yes, my prince.
Alright then. You may take your leave. Take your leave.
Thank you, my prince. It's not good. It's not good. You can't interrupt me.
Henry, go and rest.
Please,
Oh no.
Yes, my prince.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
I want to believe this is your daughter. The one you told me about.
Exactly. You know, I told you that once you see my daughter, you will like to marry her. My prince,
yeah.
She's very obedient. If you want her to follow you to your chamber, she will do just that.
Oh, come on. It's not time for that.
It's alright, if you say so.
Young lady, what's your name?
I'm fine, my
What's
prince.
your name?
Pamela.
Pamela.
Yes, my
You
prince.
have a beautiful name.
Thank you, my prince. My prince.
Yes,
see, if you marry me, I will give you everything. Everything a good wife gives to her husband. I will cook for you. I will love you. I will respect you. And most importantly, hey, my prince, I will give it to you the way you like it. You know what I mean? I mean love. And my prince, if you want me to follow you inside, maybe to the chamber or your room, so that we can start it, let me show you that I am very sweet though. Papa, you did not tell you. I am very sweet chocolate. You will like it.
It's not time for that, alright? Listen, I promise you, when the time comes, when it's the right time, I'll make you and your daughter happy.
Thank you, my prince. I like the way you put it. I'm sorry, I like the way you say it. I promise you, I will finish you. If you just give me the chance to be your wife, you will like it. You will not even come outside. I promise you, if you give me the chance to become your wife.
Oh no.
Yes, my prince.
You have done well.
Thank you very much.
You can go. You hear from me.
Very good.
I need to get some rest now.
Alright.
Can
you very much.
Can I come with you? You can rest.
Who's that a go with
No, you
the
can't.
heart of prince?
Thank you so much, my prince.
Or the Igwes cabinet. Fancha Bagonole. One their daughter to marry the prince. Before they go to pancake, before they go to lipstick, before they go to aqua.
What's your name again?
My name is Neka, my prince.
Neka. Your Ezobi's daughter, right?
Yes, my prince.
Where's your father? We had an agreement. He's supposed to come with you.
Actually, my prince, that is the reason I am here. You see, my prince, about that agreement you made with my father of us coming to stay together, I have come to talk to you about it. My prince, I wasn't part of that agreement. And before it was made, I already have a man whom I'm in love with. A man I want to spend the rest of my life with, and I was hoping you'd understand me better. You see, my prince, it's not like you're not a good man or I don't like you. I'm committed to this man, and I cannot just wake up and tell him it's over. I can't do that. Please, my prince, I am pleading with you. Let me marry the man I love, please.
I understand. To be honest, I do understand. And sometimes it surprises me how these elders in council come here and try to force me to get married to their daughters. Your father came, brought a gift. He actually brought a goat to me and said he named the goat after you. Yeah, he said I should, take this as a gift because he wants me to get married to you. And I totally don't understand why they all want me to get married to their daughters. Listen, maybe I should just get married to everybody. I don't know.
Oh, no, my prince, please. Okay, I wouldn't advise you to do that, but I would suggest you take your time and choose one amongst them. Yeah. Choose wisely. Choose a maiden that can be a good wife to you and a great queen to this kingdom.
Right. Then I'm going to do just that. However, I understand you. I can feel your pain. And to be honest, I'm in support of whatever decision you have made.
Thank you very much, my prince.
You're welcome. You can have a drink.
Bianca, come here. Where are you coming from? Because I've been looking for you since morning.
Me? And you could not call me on the phone, eh? Are you sure you're looking for me or you're just looking for what to say?
Nika, this your chorus backup you are singing has not answered my question. Where are you coming from?
Well, I'm coming from the palace.
You are coming from the palace? You are coming from the palace? To do what?
Papa, I don't understand. Which one is to do what? If I am sure, am I a child to not know where I'm coming from? I went to the palace to see the prince.
Eh? You went to the palace to see the prince? Ah! Nah, these girls of nowadays. Why do you guys like pretending? Eh? Before, you were pretending that you don't like the prince. Now you went behind me to discuss with him. Anyway, there's no problem. Thank God you have gone there to discuss with him. So, how was the discussion?
Papa, for your information, I did not go there to do what you asked of me. I went there to tell him the truth. And luckily for me, he is more understanding than you.
You went there to tell him the truth?
Yes.
So what truth are you talking about?
I told him about my fiancé Pascal and he even gave me his blessings. Finally, I am free of your troubles.
Neka, you went to the palace to spoil my deal with the prince by telling him about the Pascal. You went to the palace to tell the prince about Pascal. Look, listen to me. Listen to me. Just pray to your God. What you just said now is just a joke. Because if it is true, if what you just said now is true, Makachu Gemlalab, I will kill you. Neka, if what you just said now is true, I will kill you. You went to the palace to spoil my deal with the prince.
Kill Papa? You want to kill me? You want to kill me because the prince that you're fighting for is not interested? What kind of man are you, sir? Eh? The man you're fighting and doing everything for does not care!
Come on, get out of my sight.
Oh, wow!
You want
to kill me, Smarty, you want to do that to me?
You went to the palace and spoke my deal with the prince, and you had it because to stand before me and talk this nonsense. And talk this nonsense next.
Who's that a go win the heart of prince? Opposite one ye gonna be prince you gonna or the Igwes cabinet. Fancha bagonolo. They want their daughter to marry the prince.
I will deal with you. Okay, baby, destroy you. I will destroy you. Don't worry.
For them to look beautiful. Oh, say to go. Now my daughter you go marry. She be a wedding princess. I prepare her for you. Just give her attention. Now my daughter you go. Now my peanut daughter wedding princess. I prepare her for you. She's well preserved.
Ozoma.
Enai, sir.
Where's your friend? I thought she came to your house.
My friend. Nai, which friend are you talking
Nneka. Where is she?
Nai, that is why I'm here now. We were supposed to go somewhere, but I've been waiting for her since morning. I'm from Nneka. I decided to come and look for her myself.
You mean Nneka did not come to your house this morning?
Ha, no. If Nneka was with me, I would not be here now. You will see her with me. Eh?
Amarachi! Amarachi!
No, good afternoon. Nai, what is it? What is it? Eh? I don't understand. Am I a kid that you no longer have respect for my name again?
Amarachi, when I asked you about Nneka this morning, you told me she went to see her friend Ozoma. Now Ozoma is here, saying that Nneka did not come to her house. And I know she's the only friend she has.
Nai, when I told you Nneka went out, did I mention Ozoma's name? No, did I mention her name?
So which of her friends did she went to see? I'm asking you, which of her friends?
When I told you Nneka went out, did I mention Ozoma's name? No, I want to know. And by the way, is it only Ozioma that is Nneka's friend? Yeah? Go, when she comes back, she'll come and see you. Or better still, you can come back later. Oh? Okay, Nai, bye-bye.
Please just give me your phone. I want to make a call. I want to call one of my friends because if I call him with my phone now, he will not pick. He's dodging my calls.
Now you tell me you want to finish the credit in this phone.
I do not 30 seconds call. Give me I will give you 200 naira to buy your recharge card.
You see?
I said I will give you 200 naira to buy the recharge card. Is it not 30 seconds? In fact, 20 seconds. Give me the phone. Yeah, no more. Again, you want to know the person I want to call. Remove your eyes now. The line is not connecting. Take your phone.
The 200 naira.
200 naira for what? Did I make any call? Do you hear me say hello? I did not make any call.
Just
come and take this thing. I want to go and see somebody. I'm coming.
She's well preserved for you. Now my daughter, you go marry. She be a wedding princess. I prepare her for you. This men are mean. This men are serious. They want to win the heart of prince for their daughter, without minding what it will cost.
Yeah? Where did my husband go to? I'm suspecting his movement too. Let me call my daughter to be sure. Hey! I hope this man has not collected my phone and deleted their numbers. I don't trust this man. Chai!
My love, so you've resolved the problem with the prince and no one will disturb our marriage?
Yes, we can.
Good. I'm so happy, my love.
So am I. Actually, after meeting with the prince, I realized that he's never been our problem. It has always been my father. He has been the one forcing us to get married. Just because he wants to be an in-law to the royal family. Imagine that.
Oh God.
I even found out that the prince doesn't even care.
Are you serious?
Yes, he's not that kind of a man. He's not someone that you push around or tell what to do. And he also told me that almost all the others in council are doing the same thing, forcing their daughters on him.
Just imagine.
Imagine that. And I told him about us. He gave me support. He said, as long as my heart is in it and I really love you, that should go ahead.
Well, look, you mean we can go about with our wedding plans?
Yes.
Peacefully. Come to me, baby.
We can marry.
You know, I've always wished for this moment.
Why wouldn't you like it? Pascal, why wouldn't you like it? I was outside here and overheard everything you said. Wait, let me tell you. Come. Which marriage are you talking about? Which marriage plans are you talking about? Listen, if it is about my daughter, you better wake up from your dreams because it will not work. It will not work. What's your problem?
Every type of fine is problem. Somebody who cannot even stay it. You just cannot give somebody.
Shut up! Keep quiet! You told your mother that's it! Shut up! You told your mother you were going to see your friend Ozoma and you sneak to this place. It's your Ozoma's house. Let me ask you.
Papa, what is this now, eh? Why are you frustrating our life? What is it? Can't we just be in peace?
Now, can you tell me what I did? What did I do that made you swear that I would not get married to your daughter in this life? What is my offense? Or is it because I'm not a prince? No, please tell me, is it because I'm not a prince? Why can't I marry this girl in peace?
Who is talking? I hear the sound of mosquito. It's mosquito passing. Who is talking?
I am the one talking. I am not a mosquito. I am the one talking.
Oh!
It is me, Pascal, that is
talking. It was you talking. I thought it was mosquito passing. I thought it was mosquito. Anyway, thank God you said because you are not the prince. That to show that darkness and light has nothing in common. You cannot marry my daughter. Darkness and light has nothing in common. And you, oh yeah, let's go home.
I'm not going anywhere with you.
Yeah. You are running inside. Probably you know all the rooms in this house. You see your life. So she knows all the rooms in this house. That is where you used to do that thing to her, to scatter her brain, so that she will not listen to her father again. Okay? She will not listen to her father again. That's why you used to do it to her. You see you. You see you. This thing, each one not confuse you. This thing, this nonsense you are carrying in between your legs, you are using to scatter my daughter's brain. I will deal with it. Just talking out of man. This thing, imagine you married for 6 months. You. Pascal, you. Oh, my daughter knows all the rooms in this house. Damn, she run inside. Maybe to one of the rooms. After you will go and meet her there. You will start from where you stop. Don't worry. I'm Neka. I'm waiting for you in the house. You will come and meet me. Up here. Don't worry.
go set to go. My daughter, you go marry. She be a wedding princess. I prepare her for you. Just give her attention. Now my peanut daughter, the princess. I prepare her for you. She's well preserved for you. Now my daughter, you go marry. She be a wedding princess. I prepare her for you.
Oh, I knew it. Something is definitely wrong somewhere. Something is wrong somewhere because this is not making sense at all.
Cynthia, what is it? What's wrong with you? Why are you angry? What happened?
Tochi, I'm worried.
You are worried over what?
You know, since that last time the prince called us to ask us about Chisom's character, I was expecting him to have sacked Chisom by now. But Chisom is still in the palace. Doing what? I don't know. Something is wrong somewhere. Check it now.
I'm still checking it. I'm trying to understand, but you're getting me more confused. Please, explain. Break it down for me.
Okay, fine. You know Chisom's father is a very bad man. Very diabolic man. More reason the late Iwe expelled him as a cabinet member.
Yes.
Good. I'm sure that Chisom must have gone home to explain everything that happened in the palace to him. And then the man helped her to prepare a charm that will help tie the prince so that the prince will have eyes for only her alone.
It's true. I think you have a point.
Can I be lying? That's what happened.
So you believe that? Dear Cynthia, hope you'll be able to defend this thing in front of the prince. Eh? I don't know why you like gossip a lot. Hey!
It doesn't go into that.
How would Chisom feel if she hears this thing you said? If she hears this nonsense you have been saying? Because I'm definitely going to tell her. I will tell her and she will report you to the prince and you defend yourself.
Adana, what is it now?
Ask her.
Do you want to put me in trouble? Don't you know that if the prince hears this thing now, he will sack me? I don't want to be sacked.
You that was there talking rubbish and tarnishing Chisom's name. Didn't you consider the damage it would cause to her life? Didn't you consider it? Eh? And for the fact that she is a woman, you didn't even consider it at all. Now let me ask you, what if it's Chisom that walked in here and heard everything you said about her and her father? Do you think she will keep quiet?
Since it wasn't Chisom that walked in here, better keep your mouth shut.
I don't know. Doesn't got into that now, eh? Just let it slide. Please.
Listen, shut up. You're talking. You that was supporting her. Well, what do I expect? Eh? I didn't expect less. Less of the same feather. You two continue in your gossip.
Tochi, I am not trying to make up stories.
I believe you.
Chisom's father is diabolic.
Yes. That man.
Occultic. Chisom is a witch. Evil. If we check it very well. Yes. I cannot be lying to you now.
No, I trust you. Me too.
So I heard somebody's father in this palace is a diabolic man. A strong one. And you know, a typical product of a diabolic man is a witch, an original witch. Witch from the pit of hell. I mean, the signs are clear. How can somebody's hair be looking like this? It can only be a witch. Product of witch. Look at it. It is not hidden. You are a witch. I said it. Oh. I still wonder why you're not talking back at me. Bring it on. Let's do it mouth to mouth.
What's going on here?
Talk.
Why is your face like this? Who annoyed you?
Cynthia.
She's mocking me because of my hair. She said I look like someone whose father is diabolic.
Chisom, I don't understand. See me see trouble, oh. Chisom, did I mention your name? See, Adana, I was just here on my own, rehearsing my lines. Because I said to myself, this year, is going to be a big change for me. I said that when I grow up, that I want to be an actress. I am just here taking my lines. And somebody said I was referring to... Is your name Diabolic?
Who else is here that you're referring to some people? Cynthia, what is your problem? You've started again, no? Why can't you let this girl rest in this palace? What has she done to you? Enough is enough.
You too, enough is enough. What is it now? What is it? Did I call her name? Did I mention your name? Is your name witch? Is your father diabolic? If you say your father is diabolic, no problem. Oh. If you say you're a witch, still no problem. If the shoe fits, you wear it. I was just here rehearsing my line like a chill girl that I am. And you see, when I finally become an actress, you two will be of no match to me.
Yeah, Cynthia.
Where it is?
Cynthia, let me tell you.
When I will become an actress, you will see it.
Forget that I'm slim. If you try me, what I'll do to you, you'll never forget it in your life.
Chisom, what have I done to this girl? Why is she making life unbearable for me? What have I done to her?
It's okay. Don't let Cynthia's attitude throw you off balance. She's not worth it. But why is your hair like this? Why didn't you make your hair? You're looking so tattered. You didn't know when you see an corona.
Adana, you're the one asking me this question. You know what I'm passing through, the money I'm supposed to use and make my hair. I sent to my sick mother to buy drugs. You know what I'm passing through.
It's fine, I understand. But just try and make your hair. You don't look okay. You don't look good like this. Don't worry, I'm coming. Let me get something inside. I'm coming to join you. You hear? Yeah, smile now. Smile. I'm coming.
What's wrong with your hair? Are you okay?
Yes, my prince, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, my prince.
I don't think so. Why are you looking unkept? Look at your hair. Do you know a strand of your hair can get into the glass and that's bad?
I'm very sorry, my prince. The money I was supposed to use and make my hair, I sent to my sick mother to buy drugs. But I'll get my hair done once I receive my salary on month's end.
So you have to wait until the end of the month before you can make your hair? Is that what you're saying?
I have no other option, my prince.
There you go. Make your hair. Take the money.
Prince, the money...
Hey, no questions. Just take the money. Make your hair. And get some drugs with the rest of the money for your mother.
Okay, my prince. Thank you so much. God bless you. But my prince, I want to ask. Is this money part of my salary?
Take the money. Make your hair. And use the rest. Buy some drugs for your mother. Your sick mother.
Thank you so much, my prince. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you.
That's all right.
And then after I served him, about to leave, he called me back and asked me why is my hair looking so unkempt. I told him why. Next thing, he gave me this 10,000 naira to go and make my hair.
Hey. Chisom, you're confusing me. So you mean the prince actually gave you this 10,000 to use and make your hair?
Yes, he did.
But wait though. Did he tell you anything that follows this money? Or did you ask him for anything?
Adan, I don't understand. Something like what? Though I asked him if the money is part of my salary, he said no, he just dashed me the money. Or are you expecting him to tell me anything?
No. I just wanted to know. But don't worry, go and make your hair. Or do you want me to follow you?
No problem if you can. I'm still confused.
Why? Just share up.
Oh, what is it now? Why are you dragging me like this? What is it? Shh. What happened? Hi. Talk now. What happened? Did somebody die?
Tochi, call my name. Call my name.
Cynthia.
Call me again.
Cynthia. What is it? What happened?
Tochi, I can hear. I can still hear.
You can hear?
Tochi, what I heard today is enough to make someone go deaf for life. What I heard just now.
What did you hear?
What I heard.
What did you hear now? What did you hear?
Okay.
Oh yeah, did somebody die?
No. Somebody did not die. But I might just die. I might just die. Okay. I was passing.
Okay.
And then I overheard Chisom telling Adanna that the prince gave her 10,000 naira to make her hair.
How? Is it like it's not possible? Wait. How? Wait, you are trying to tell me that the prince gave Chisom 10,000?
10,000.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 to make her hair.
To make her hair.
Why?
Why?
Starting when?
I don't know.
No, something is wrong somewhere. The prince. It's not possible now. It's not possible.
You see, just like I've been telling you, Chisom and the father, they are diabolic people.
It's true.
It is confirmed.
It's true.
Because what would actually make the prince count 10,000 and give somebody to make her hair? How?
I believe you. Now I believe you.
I want to die.
Don't die. Calm down.
I want to die.
Don't die. Calm down. I can't kill you now. Calm down.
Why have you refused to collect your daughter's bride price?
What is the problem? Talk to me. Or is it because we did not come with the crest of drinks? Well, this money covers the drinks.
If not that you are an elder like me, I would have given you a dirty slap. Did your son here not tell you that I don't want him to marry my daughter? So why are you people here? Or you just want to come here and to disturb my peace? Okay? You want to come and disturb my peace? Yeah, hey you. Pascal. Did I not tell you that my daughter is no longer available, that she belongs to the prince of this kingdom, Prince Udoka, that I don't want you to marry her? And you had the mind, you had the God to come here with these people to disturb my peace. What is your problem? What have I done to you? Huh? And you brought this here as a collector. You think I am rich? Money doesn't move me. Money doesn't move me. So this thing here is just nothing. So don't stop threatening me with this thing here.
Ezobi, why are you talking like this? These children love themselves. Why not give them your blessings so that they can move ahead?
Me?
Yes.
Give them my blessings.
Exactly.
Give them my blessings.
Yes.
I cannot.
Why?
I cannot give them my blessings because my blessings belongs to the Prince Udoka. He's the only person that I can give my blessing. Because he's the son-in-law I know. Not this thing sitting down here. You people are disturbing me. Get out of my house. Else, if I go in there and come out now, you people will not like what you will see.
Nani, please. Accept your daughter's bride price. Later we can discuss issues, please, Biko.
So, it is now time for a woman to put mouth where they are discussing about marriage for a woman. Because if you go, no one is you don't see me finish.
Ishe, Ezeobi, please accept your daughter bride price so that you with your wife can reconcile. Thank you.
You see, you can't even talk well. You can't even talk well because you don't know what you are saying. You already know that what we are here for is a waste. You can't even talk well. An elderly man like you cannot see the truth and say this is the truth. I said I don't want your son to marry my daughter. But it's a marriage by force. And you are forcing me to take the bride price. I will not take. But if people will say I should take the money, no problem. But it's for Dash, not my daughter's bride price.
Thank you very much. We just dash you.
There's no need of don't waste your clap, because there's no need of wasting your clap.
SOB1. Thank you very much.
We
appreciate you.
You can go.
Thank you.
This one is for the beer.
Yes, you can go. Thank you.
I prepare her for you. Just give her attention. Now my daughter, you got my peanut.
My prince, none of the girls are virgins.
Are you sure you did your job well?
Yes, my prince. I did everything. In fact, they all agree that they are no longer virgins.
Holy dear doctor, are you sure of what you're saying? I don't believe you.
Oh no. I am a professional. Anything I tell you about women, they are nothing but pure. I don't guess. You can ask them.
Pamela, you heard the doctor. Is it true?
Papa, what is it? Why are you embarrassing me? When you told me about this, you did not tell me that the prince was looking for a maiden to this virgin.
Beatrice. I don't need to ask you this. Because the doctor has said, you all have accepted that none of you are virgins. And you accepted that. Let me give you.